Hello, my name is Cristian Aranjo. I think that the intellectual property right protection is very important for the company because, for example, when you have uh, a new product, a new knowledge, or a new project, you can make them yours. So when you are going to produce this new product or knowledge or project, um, you are making new things. So when uh, you are making it, you are above the other company. So I think that this is very important. Also, I think that to assess of different valuation methods of intangible assets is very important because we can't put a correct price about these new products, projects, or knowledge. So it this is very important. Also, I think that to find solution to improve Colombian enterprise digital transformation is very important because we can't to be always in the same place. We must to go ahead because these solutions are made to improve process or to make new products, new project easy. So I think that is very important.